Zanu PF has ignited controversy with its early claim of victory in the 2030 elections, despite the fact that, according to the current constitution, elections are scheduled for 2028. Sendapinda mashoko ashamisa vanhu kuti aiwa panguva inoi vanhu yavari kutoti aiwa we want to stop now year 2030 and now takamira ma-elections emuna 2028 vakuna the regime vakutoburitsa ma-victories ekutoti aiwa vakutotanga kutohwina mapools a 2030. Sandapinda mashoko amudaniro panapa kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda pano pamuzimu abonyora chiti the declaration by Zanu PF official Tauroi and Shire on Sunday is raised concerns over the party's intentions to manipulate the electoral process and postpone the upcoming polls to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's rule. Karisha's statement suggests a clear agenda to maintain power beyond the constitutional limits, as he boldly declared that the ruling party will win resoundingly in the 2030 elections. His remarks come at a time when the internal debates in Zanu PF are intensifying over whether Mnangagwa should step down at the end of his second term in 2028 as mandated by the constitution. On Facebook, Kandishaya boasted with the party's growing influence, claiming that over 200 opposition members from various splinter groups in Chirezi had defected to Zanu PF, citing the party's unprecedented economic development projects as their reason for switching allegiance. He wrote, over 200 opposition members in Chirezi have defected to Zanu PF from various opposition splinter groups, citing the Second Republic's unprecedented economic development projects as the reason for their switch. These guys, they are now mobilizing mapools at 2030. After the second term, what is the mafunguro enyu mutukulipa mzuri chitu ichi? Pina comment section medu mzima mafunguro enyu, so no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.